Hello, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. So, ngayon magi-start yung ating year-ender at yung gagawin nating year-ender based dun sa request ng iba na international naman ang reakan natin. Ayoko mag-focus sa isang topic lang ng international. Start tayo sa Nooks Top 5, 'di ba? Para medyo marami tayong makover. Actually, ilang parts to kasi ang re-reaction ko dito yung top 25 scariest videos of the year 2024. Tama. 'Di ba? Para marami-rami tayong makover. Kasi pagka yung isang video lang, medyo baka malose interest yung mga tao. Ito nga, testing nga to eh. Kung okay sa inyo. So, siguro part 1 to kung medyo nagustuhan nyo, pagpatuloy natin. Mga 5 video muna kasi ang haba pala nito, 1 hour itong video na to eh. Pero bago lahat, shout out na muna tayo dun sa nanood sa last video. Hello Sir December 7, 1993 Productions. Hello. Lito Lobo, hello po. Hope Fasinabaw, hello po, ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am Emmy. Sir Neil Lester, hello po. Gal and Lester Arcilia, tama ba ako? Yun, tama. Si Sir Galand Lester Arcilia, Gal and. Sorry kasi sa tag kasi dire-diretso eh. Sir GC719, hello. Ma'am May Malagenya, good evening. Goatlink Cycle Channel, hello po. Ma'am Nanay Riza sa Korea, hello. Ma'am Rose anong name nito ni Ma'am? Ma'am Rose Valenzona, hello po. Ma'am Imelda Basquines, hello. Sino pa ba nandyan? Sir Marstan, hello. Marco Rosales, hello po. Sino pa ba yung nanood sa atin last time? I-ano natin. Sir Brian Jovan Gamiao, Sir El Jaco, Ma'am Always Lay. Welcome back po. Kayo na lang ulit kita nakita. Ma'am Always Lay. Tapos itong isa si Sir J. Noxide NZ. Siguro taga New Zealand to Sir Bax Ayan, hello. So proceed tayo dun sa dun sa main content. Ito yung top 5 scariest videos of the year. Ito yung Nooks top 5. Tama. Tingnan nga natin to mga men.
Toy Story.
We were messing around with my little sister's
So first 5 videos muna tayo, no? Depende, dagdagan natin kung ano pa yung kung kaya pa ng oras.
camera, and we just found something like
It's weird.
it's weird.
It's weird.
Okay,
It's a normal Tuesday in October, around 6 p.m., when a young girl takes out her camera to record her new toy collection and talk about her day. What happens next is downright chilling.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my Skibbity toilet collection that I just got today. We went to a toy store and they had all of these things like this cameraman, these tiny little action figures, this big Skibbity toilet, and this one. And then I saw my friend the other day and we went on a walk. And we also got ice cream that day, and I'm having a lot of fun.
Wait. Anong klaseng camera yung binili sa kanya? Tingnan natin.
okay,
It's a normal
messing around with my little sister's.
Tingnan natin. Wait lang ha.
Toy Story.
We were messing around with my little sister's camera, and we just found something like
It's weird.
it's weird.
It's weird.
Okay,
It's a normal Tuesday in October.
So parang nakita lang nila do sa camera ano. 'Di ba?
Around 6 p.m., when a young girl takes out her camera to record her new toy collection and talk about her day. What happens next is downright chilling.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my Skibbity Toilet collection that I just got today. We went to a toy store and they had all of these things like this cameraman, these tiny little action figures, this big Skibbity toilet.
GoPro yun ano, yung camera na may casing lang na mukhang traditional camera.
And this one, and then I saw my friend the other day, and we went on a walk, and we also got ice cream that day, and I'm having a lot of fun.
Wait lang ha, sorry. May tiniting lang ako.
We also got ice cream that day, and I'm having a lot of fun.
The little girl looks up and seems frozen in fear as she stares at something that we can't see. She stares motionless for over 20 seconds and then gets up and hurries out of the room. The camera continues to record and captures something that seems to follow her. Later, the little girl's older sister, Charity Lewis, is looking through the camera's footage and finds this strange recording completely by accident. Charity shares the clip on Instagram and says that before viewing this video, she had no idea that her little sister had experienced anything strange. To this day, the recording remains a mystery.
Okay. Ito yung obserbasyon ko. Ako, as a skeptic, no? Siguro may karapatan naman ako na magsabi kung ano yung tingin ko do sa video. Let's say opinion. Hindi naman natin nahuli na talagang peke yung video. Pero may mga kaduda-dudang part ako na ano dito eh. Unang-una, 'di ba? Masyadong coincidence yung na
To follow her.
yung istorya niya kung paano nalaman 'di ba? Hawak-hawak niya yung GoPro eh. Parang ang weak nung nung dahilan kung paano niya nalaman. So sabi niya dito,
We were messing around with my little sister's camera.
She's messing around daw yung little sister's camera niya.
And we just found something like
It's weird.
it's weird.
Sa bata, ito kasi casing lang to eh. Hindi naman ito talaga GoPro yan, 'di ba? Casing lang ito, yung rubber casing lang to. Mukha lang siyang traditional camera. Pero kung iisipin mo, napakabata naman nung nila para mag-GoPro. Para gumamit ng GoPro, sobrang bata naman nun. Pwede sana kung cellphone video ang gamit eh. Okay, let's say, natin. Pero yung parang, yung istorya mo na tinitingnan lang namin yung camera. Bakit? 'Di ba? Okay lang sana kung yung mismong kapatid mo yung nagkwento sa'yo, oy, panoorin mo yan, may nangyari. 'Di ba? Pero yung ikaw, wala lang, tinitingnan lang namin yung video ng camera. Parang ang weak nung dahilan. Parang, ito pa, napansin ko dito, bago umano yung bata, bago matakot, quote-unquote matakot yung bata.
I'm going to show you my Skibbity Toilet collection that I just got today.
Tama ha?
We went to a toy store and they had all of these things.
May tinitingnan na yung bata na na parang queue, may inaabangan siyang queue, 'di ba?
It's like this cameraman, these tiny little
Ay hindi pala dyan, sorry, hindi 'yon. Dito.
figures,
'Di ba? May ibang tinitingnan yung bata eh.
big Skibbity Toilet,
Oo.
and this one.
Hindi pala yan, sorry. Nag-skip pa ito. Dito sa banda rito, may nahuli ako dito eh.
I saw
I don't know, ito, tingin ko lang naman,
my friend the other day, and we went on a walk, and we also got
'Di ba? May tinitingnan na yung bata banda dito sa kanan eh. Parang ayan na yung cue na dapat matakot ka. Parang sinignalan na siya, tinan mo yung mata ng bata.
the other day, and we went on a walk, and we also got
Oink. May tiningnan siya doon sa kanan. After niyan tumingin sa kanan,
day, and I'm having a lot of fun.
saka siya ngayon, may nakita kunyari. 'Di ba? Tapos itong na to, 'di ba tatakbo yung bata, Halatang to eh, yung parang to eh, yung scarf to eh, na ginanon eh. Dahil nagsuswing siya eh. Okay lang sana kung ang movement nung shadow na yun eh, yung diretso. Pero ito nag-swing men eh. Kayo, bahala kayo na hindi ko sinasabing maniwala kayo sa akin ha. Okay lang na hindi naman kayo maniwala. Pero kung titingnan nyo dito, i-slow motion natin ha. Nag-swing siya ng ganun eh. Para siyang scarf eh. Well, bahala pa rin kayo, no? Pero sa akin, fake to. For me. 70% fake to. Hindi kayo, kung maniniwala kayo kung compelling sa inyo, bahala kayo. Wala namang problema sa akin yun. Pero for me, yung kaduda-dudang paraan kung paano nila natuklasan yung video, yung nilalaro-laro lang nila yung camera, tapos biglang nakita nila yung video kunyari. Then yung bata may tiningnan siyang parang sumignal sa kanya bago siya natulala. Tapos ganyan yung I don't
The little girl looks up and seems frozen in fear as she stares at something that we can't see. She stares
Kasi ganito, kung may tinitingnan niyang bata, ang tagal tumingin ng bata eh. Pag natakot yan kasi instant dapat yan.
motionless for over 20 seconds and then gets up and hurries out of the room. The camera continues to record and captures something that seems to follow her. Later, the little
Tsaka talagang para pagmukaing sinundan yung bata, talagang pagbukas ng pintuan, well, pwede naman mangyari, Paglabas kasi ng bata,
hurries out of the room.
talagang iniwan niyang bukas yung pinto din. Para pagmukain na
Seems to
sinundan
follow
siya.
her. Later, the little girl's older sister, Charity Lewis, is looking through the camera's footage and finds this strange recording completely by
Tsaka 3 minutes eh. 'Di ba? Halatang to eh, planado. Tsaka paano nag-end? Sino ang nagpatay ng video? 'Di ba? Let's say natakot yung bata, dapat may iwanan mo yan, baka nga 30 minutes na nagre-record yan eh. Pero dito sa dito sa video na to, 3 minutes lang yung tinagal ng video. Ibig sabihin, after 3 minutes, pinatay nila. Saktong-sakto, pagkatapos nung may nagpakita na yon. Kasi kung yan ay naiwan lang yan, may intindihan ko baka 1 oras pang naka-record yan eh. Dahil sobrang takot ng bata, hindi nababalikan ng bata yan eh. 'Di ba? Or halimbawa, hindi kasi natakot yung bata, nagsumbong siguro sa nanay o sa kapatid niya na may nangyari kaya pinatay na yung recording. O di sana, yun ang dahilan nila. Hindi, natakot kasi yung kapatid ko eh, pinatay namin recording kaya pinanood namin. Eh, ang dahilan nung nakapanood, wala lang, nilalaro-laro lang namin yung camera at nakita namin yung footage. I'm not buying it. Sorry mga men, yung mga naniniwala dito, hindi ako sold out.
By accident.
Pero hindi kasi nasabing tama ako ha. Malay mo totoong multo nga naman, pero
Shares the clip on Instagram and says that before viewing this video, to this
nameke na ako ng video. Master ko ng mameke. Kaya alam ko yung mga ganyan.
day, the recording remains
Pero ang gusto ko naman sa video na to, hindi siya pambobo, no? Hindi siya pang tanga na video. Na maganda yung pero pag talaga susuriin mo, may mali talaga. Pero hindi siya yung mga Donsky, Kuya Red levels na fake.
up on the housetop. An urban explorer checks out a group of small abandoned buildings in the middle of nowhere, deep in the woods of Poland. Eventually, it gets too dark to explore, and he decides to leave. But hanging around till after dark seems to have been a terrible mistake. Someone can be seen chasing the now panicking urban explorer, and whoever it is seems to have come from right off the goddamn roof. The urban explorer runs off into the woods to escape, but whoever this strange person is now seems to be following him.
Pero siya, hindi siya multo, no? Tanggap naman na hindi siya multo, parang tao yon na naka-costume na sinusundan siya. Pero parang sige, pagpatuloy mo na.
Thankfully, the urban explorer makes it home safe and shares his footage on YouTube. A curious viewer points out just how pale the unknown stranger seems to be. Another viewer claims that they too have visited the abandoned buildings and that they also saw this same creepy man. Either way, this strange guy swooping down from the roof to chase the urban explorer away is truly creepy, and it seems like something right out of a horror movie. Cave.
Sa akin, 80% na fake. Kasi ako, to be fair naman, yung mga video na pinapalabas dito, bibihira naman makahuli na yung talagang, let's say, talagang pineke. Pero, kung aanuhin natin, unang-una, hindi siya multo, no? Kasi, totoong tao siya. Creepy nga naman yung video. 'Di ba? Alam mo yung mga style na parang Friday the 13th, yung si Jason, or yung sa Halloween, yung si si Michael Myers. Creepy nga naman yung video, pero hindi siya, feeling ko hindi siya totoo. Unang-una may shadow siya, so hindi siya multo talaga established. Ngayon, kung papatayin siya, sana nagdalaman lang ng itak yan. Ito parang tinatakot lang siya dito eh. Pwede naman totoo. Sige, bibigyan ko lang. Pwede naman totoo na hindi niya kilala yan, na nakamaskara yan na nandyan. Pero yung galing sa bubong, parang halatang planado eh. Parang inaabangan ka na niyan sa bubong. Bago ka pa pumunta, predicted niya na napupunta ka dyan. 80% hindi to totoo. Parang scripted. For me. Kasi pero nakakatakot yung movement niya. No? To be fair, alam mo, yung mga ghost hunter sa Mindanao, mas maganda ganito na lang ang nyo eh. Ganito na lang yung video nyo eh. Yung wag nyo nang sabihin na, ano ba yan? Aswang ba yan? Wag na kayo magganon. Yung parang, ang datingan, ini-stock kayo ng siraulo. Mas nakakatakot yung sa video. Ako, to be fair, natakot ako dito, men. Tinan mo ha, yung banda dyan, yung sinusundan sila na yan, tapos yung biglang tatakbo bigla. Yan o, yung ganon. Nakakatakot yun. Kasi parang ang film mo, yung nanonood ka ng slasher film, yung may killer na nakamaskara, di ba? Mas effective na nakakatakot yung ganyan. Kaya nga dapat nyo sa yung mga taga Mindanao nga, kunyari may bibisitahin kayong kahit hindi na kayo mag-costume, basta habulin kayo ng stalker, yung mga ganon. Or palabasin nyo, habulin kayo ng adik. Mas nakakatakot pa nga kaysa yung magmulto-multuhan kayo, nahalata naman peke, di ba? Anyway, pagpatuloy natin. Ako, sige, may slight chance na totoo nga naman ito, pero hindi tumulto. Kung totoo talaga na natakot sila dyan. Pero yung sa circumstance kasi, sorry ha, kung talagang, hindi talaga ako mapaniwalain sa ganyan. Di ba? Pero bahala kayo kung naniniwala pa rin kayo.
This strange guy swooping down from the roof to chase the urban explorer away is truly creepy. And it seems like something right out of a horror movie.
Oo nga naman, parang ganyan. Tsaka isa pa, hindi man lang siya nag-attempt na kumausap, Kuya, sino ka? Kuya. I know, hindi siya Tagalog, no? Pero yung nag-attempt man lang siyang kausapin na kung sino siya, yung yung parang ang goal niya lang talaga ipakita sa video na natatakot siya, sabay tumakbo siya. Di ba? Creepy pero unrealistic.
Cave Crisis. Alex Cantrell from the YouTube channel Underground Explorers is invited to explore a cave on his friend's ranch in Texas. But the cave is partially submerged in water, making it very difficult to enter and explore. Now I'm going to go ahead and say that this video is not exactly anything paranormal, but it is very scary and 100% real. It's a
Ba't sinasabi ni Nux na 100% real? Kasi yung ganyang kadelikadong lugar, walang lugar para mameke dyan eh. Parang pinapangunahan niya na tayo, hindi paranormal to, hindi Well, okay lang naman yun. Basta scariest, okay na yun.
especially scary if you're even the slightest bit claustrophobic. Now, in accordance with YouTube guidelines, I want to stress, no one was seriously injured in this.
Yung nung una, yung tinatawag na claustrophobic pala, akala ko kaya ko yan. Yung pagiging claustrophobic na yan. Yung tinanong, nung MRI ako, di ba may sakit ako, no? Pero sana wala na by January. Di ba may sakit ako? Nung MRI ako, tinanong ako, claustrophobic ka ba? Sabi ko hindi. Kasi kaya ko naman, minsan nga, nung nasa Mindoro pa ako, natutulog ako sa ilalim ng truck eh. May ginagawang parang duyan yung mga driver namin doon. Kaya ko naman yung mga ganon, yung mga confined space. 'Di ba? Pero nung in-MRI ako, naranasan ko yung pagiging claustrophobic na yan, men. Yung, di ba, ang MRI, papakita ko sa inyo yung MRI, ha? Yung MRI kasi, yun yung titingnan yung katawan mo kung ano, kung may... Hindi, mai-share ko lang yung pagiging ganito yan, oh. Paano ba pakita to?
MRI stands for
To. Ganito yung ginawa sa akin. Pero hindi naman sa ulo, bandang tiyan yung inaano sa akin. Yung tinanong ako, pag pinasok ka pala dyan, yung ganyan, oh, putang na, mapapraning ka pala talaga dyan. Pag pinasok ka, yung maririnig, ito, ulo lang yung i-scan sa kanya, yung akin, ano kaya buong katawan ko, ipapasok dyan sa loob. Yun, yung parang ganito. Yung feeling na ganito, sa pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Yung feeling na nandoon ka sa loob, tapos habang ini-scan ka niyan, ang ingay niyan, wong, 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 gumaganon-ganon. Yung para bang, parang nilagay ka sa, sa nicho. Diba? Yung ganyan, no, pucha. Sobrang praning ko niyan. Buti na lang, may headset na ibibigay sa'yo. Tatanungin ka, anong klaseng music po ba yung pinakikinggan nyo? Di sinabi ko. Kung ano yung gusto kong music, at ang gawin mo, pumikit ka lang. Tapos, pakiramdaman mo lang yung music. Kanta ka lang ng kanta. Kasi pagka walang music doon, tapos naririnig mo yung wong, 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 yung gumaganon-ganon, putya, mapapraning ka doon sa loob. Yun pala yung tinatawag nilang claustrophobic. Kung claustrophobic ka, yung ganyan ka doon sa loob. Na hindi mo alam kung ano mangyayari sa'yo doon sa loob, na para bang yung feeling mo nasa ataol ka. 'Di ba? May time pa nga doon na na sobrang kinatok ko talaga dahil parang aatakihin ako doon sa loob, nagpa-panic attack ako doon sa loob. Ganun pala yung feeling nung tinatawag na claustrophobic. 'Di ba? Kahit na feeling mo kaya mo, talaga hindi siya madali. Iisipin mo parang isasalang ka lang doon sa loob. 1 oras mahigit 'yun eh. Habang kinukunan ng picture yung laman loob mo, 'di ba?
This video,
Anyway,
following
pagpatuloy
footage
natin.
was recorded by a professional cave diver. Do not attempt to do this yourself. All right, so Alex is joined by a few of his friends as they begin to explore the frightfully small cave.
All right, who's got the oxygen meter? I don't see that. Look at this. We got an oxygen meter now, so people won't be mad at me. So what all does that show? Carbon monoxide.
Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, and low oxygen.
Cool.
Pretty much everything.
Yeah.
So
We got the Action Adventure twins here helping us out. As you guys are like, Matt, check the oxygen. Oh, danger levels.
breathe
huh?
on it a little bit.
Danger, danger.
Danger.
It's waterproof?
It is, but I don't think
better
it's
be.
gonna work too well if like the little intakes
Yeah,
get
that
clogged
makes
with
sense.
water.
It's gonna be hard to keep that thing out of the water.
All right, guys, we have made it out to the cave that's on the demolition ranch. Or off the ranch
Wait, is it
now.
beeping already?
Well, see, I immediately dunked it underwater.
I told you.
So, I don't think this is gonna give us the accurate.
So pag low oxygen, mag-a-alarm 'yun.
Probably not our
Or
Parang boring naman tong part na to. Nga natin kung ano yung part ng nakakatakot.
As they work their way deeper and deeper into the cave, the passageway becomes smaller and more claustrophobic. Eventually, there is barely even room to breathe above the murky water. This is when the exploration goes horribly wrong.
Bakit hindi sila nagdala ng oxygen?
Try really hard to keep my head.
Well, this is where we're at right now.
Yeah, this is intense. I love that they're saying this is intense.
Yeah,
That makes me
heard
feel,
that yet.
that makes me feel good because I was scared in here and I'm like, what if these fish just come in and they're like, oh, this is a piece of cake. Let's climb it.
Yeah. No, this is a little rough.
Yeah.
I feel like rope on my foot.
Kasi kailangan gawin pa yung mga ganyan, ano?
So much water in my ears.
Yeah, same. Oh man.
Water in my eyes. Snorkel would be nice right about now.
Yeah.
I got so much water in my nose.
Good times. Good times.
Tapos ang labo pa nung tubig.
Does it really go further?
Is he under?
Forward na nga natin.
Yeah.
Tingnan natin kung ano nangyari yung kwento. Nagkaroon ng...
Oh my god! I'm coming out! Choke me, okay?
Walang
Out
kwenta
of the
to.
cave
Forward.
as fast as he can, but he slams into Alex, dragging him underwater too. Luckily, the two guys make it out safely, with only a few scratches to remind them of the terrifying incident. This video once again goes to show that sometimes people, even your own friends, can be much scarier and more dangerous than anything paranormal. And I don't know about you, but just watching them in that cramped little tunnel gave me the heebie-jeebies. Now, you can watch this entire exciting cave exploration and many more over on the YouTube channel
Para na,
Explorers.
na-drag yung
Knock knock.
Anyway, proceed
Late
tayo
one night,
sa...
a group of friends decide to film themselves taking a spooky dare at a local school that is said to be haunted. The story goes that if you go around to the back of the school and knock on the nurse's office door, someone or something will knock back.
Go!
Sabi dito sa video, we went to a haunted school and people say if you knock on the nurse's door, someone is supposed to knock back. Parang ang daling pikein ito no? Pag nag-knock daw sila, may magna-knock back daw. May kakatok pabalik do sa nurse's door.
Knock on it, knock. No, go. Knock harder. Let him know. Let him.
A sudden loud scream sends the girls running in terror.
Let him.
Now, unfortunately, the original creator of this video has basically disappeared off the internet. So for now, whatever happened next remains a mystery.
Pero yung mukhang hindi naman help yung siguro wild animal, no? Ang inaasahan ko may magnanak pabalik nung kumatok sila. Siguro dahil pare-pareha silang takot, no? Feeling ko hindi naman help yung sinigaw.
Now, unfortunately, the original creator...
Tingnan mo akala ko magnanak pabalik.
Let him know.
Kasi kung halimbawa kung mamimeke sila, yun ang gagawin nila. Pero feeling ko totoo naman. Kaya lang, parang ng hayop parang ganun ang hayop, hindi naman help Tingnan mo.
Let him know. Let him.
Diba? At feeling ko hindi naman siya fake. Feeling ko. Pero paranormal, hindi. Yun lang.
A sudden loud scream sends the girls running in terror.
Let him.
Hindi siya
Now,
paranormal.
unfortunately, the original creator of this video has basically disappeared off the internet. So for now, whatever happened next remains a mystery. The thing in the tunnel. Nuke's Top 5 viewer Sophie reached out to us about a very creepy video that her friend Laura recorded in an abandoned railway tunnel in Hassel, Germany. The tunnel was built in 1890 and it was used extensively by German troops during World War II. So, while on a weekend trip, Laura checks out the historic old abandoned rail tunnel. She's recording with her phone when she captures what is maybe one of the weirdest clips I've ever seen. Check it out.
Para may tumayo.
Something pale and thin can be seen rising up from the tracks in front of Laura on what looks like a thin little arm.
Tingnan natin.
In front of Laura.
Yung ano. Wait lang yung speed na ano natin.
Or
feeling ko hayop lang to, something na hayop. Na hindi lang maitsurahan kasi baka nga dog to eh. Na weirdo lang ang pagkakano. Kaya lang hindi naman na natapos eh kung ano yun eh. Pero finake ba to? Feeling ko hindi naman. Feeling ko dog yan na naglilik ng balls. Na nakaganon yung payat na dog.
Or
mukha nga naman siyang tao na nagano na pero hindi siya paranormal. Hindi, kayo, ano sa tingin nyo? Feeling ko dog ito eh, na parang nakalubog siya sa something, tapos payat yung dog.
Rising up from the track.
Yan oh.
In front of Laura.
Mukha nga naman siyang tao na gumaganon. Yung ganito oh, yung nakayuko siya tapos gumaganyan siya. Pero feeling ko hayop to eh. Feeling ko lang hindi naman natin nakita yung kamay. Nakita ba yung kamay? Hindi naman nakita yung kamay min eh. Maganda lang yung pagkakakuha sa kanya. Hindi kayo, gusto kong malaman ng opinion nyo tungkol dito, no? Comment nyo sa baba. Hindi siya, kakaibang nila lang. Feeling ko may explanation siya. Pangit lang yung pagkakaporma, siguro.
Looks like a thin little arm.
Oo nga eh.
She
Para
gets
siyang
one look
siko
at the
eh.
disturbing thing and just turns and makes a run for it. Now, watching this clip over and over, I honestly have no idea what this is. It looks like maybe
O palaka.
a hairless torso with two skinny arms, getting up in a
Yung ginagawa ni Nooks kasi na sinasabing na arms yan. Ang tawag kasi diyan psychological priming. Pag may isang bagay na hindi ka alam, 'di ba? Hindi mo alam ang isang bagay, pagka psychological priming na kita, yun na talaga yung makikita mo. Halimbawa, hindi pa natin nakikita yung video na yan, Wala pa, may papakita ako sa inyong video. Pinakita dito sa video, katawan ng tao na payat yung elbow, yung siko niya na umaakyat ganon. Tingnan nyo payat na tao. Sina-psychological priming ko na kayo eh. Meaning, piniprepare ko na kayo sa dapat nyong makita. Kaya tuloy pagka nakita nyo to, lalo na't hindi nyo alam kung ano yan, ang hahawakan nyo na lang yung, yung sinabi ko kanina. 'Di ba? Nakuha tayo sa psychological priming. Nagigets nyo na ibig ko sabihin sa psychological priming, yung bago pa natin makita yung video, sinasabihan na agad tayo ng, or halimbawa pwede mangyari, wala tayo maisip kung ano yan, magsasuggest ako sa'yo kung ano yung makikita mo na yan. Diba?
Natural way. Maybe it's an animal, maybe it's a very weird looking person. I just don't
Feeling ko animal lang yun. Animal.
So, you tell me what you think this is down in the comments. Open house. Reddit user/realtor Sandra is recording
Ito, nareakan ko na to. Nareakan ko na tong part na to.
tour of a 1960s bungalow
Siguro parang ano lang to, parang preview lang. Pero i-bonus ko na lang last na to. Then continue na lang natin bukas.
style home to show prospective buyers. Sandra's filming at night in order to showcase the house's interior lighting. But it's starting to get a bit late at the creepy little cottage, and things are about to get weird.
Wow, it's 10 p.m. and my day was fully booked with showings of this beautiful vintage 1962. Wow, it's 10 p.m. and my day was fully booked with showings of this vintage 1963 bungalow. Go ahead, do it again. You're on camera. Open this door. Go ahead, open this door. Open this door like you did the other one. Come on, just move the glass or something. Go ahead, do it again. I'm not scared.
A door suddenly swings open.
So, may mga mali na ako nakita, no?
On its own, and Sandra is spooked, but she gathers her courage and rushes out to see what's going on. A glass of water sitting on top of the fireplace shifts and slowly moves as if it's being pushed by some invisible force. But things get even crazier as a smoke detector suddenly starts to beep before crashing violently to the
patapusin muna natin, ha?
floor. With that, Sandra has had enough and just gets out of there. But there's also something else that is very creepy in this video. Something that only a few viewers even notice. So again I ask, did you see it? Right before the door moves, a face in the picture right beside Sandra seems to slowly darken. And then the creepy little shadow fades away just as the door swings open. Sandra says that she's experienced several unexplained paranormal events in this home, but this was the first time that she finally captured it on camera.
Feeling ko wala namang problem dun sa umitim yung ulo. 'Di ba? Trick of the light siguro. Pwede ko palusutin 'yon, 'di ba? Walang problem dun.
Ride.
Pero ang problem kasi dito mga men, dito sa video na to, minsan okay na yung pagbukas ng pinto, although na medyo duda pa rin ako nung unang-una, nangyayari kasi yung pagbukas ng pinto nang hindi natin alam, hindi naman nakaka-capture yung yung nasa kabilang side Halimbawa, yung pagbukas ba ng pinto, pwedeng pekein yun. Hindi kasi natin alam kung ano yung nasa kabila.
Sandra.
Pwede kasi may pumihit nun. Pero granting, magre-rely tayo sa credibility ni ate. Sa credibility ni ate kasi, parang siya, real estate siya na agent Parang nagbebenta siya. Parang kagaguhan nga naman yun kung pepekein mo yung video na haunted. Diba? Kagaguhan yun. So, sige, dito sa unang part na to, tama na sana ito yung bumukas yung pinto Kaya lang minsan, na-overdo natin. O, pagpatuloy natin ha.
Darken.
Dito sa mismong video, di ba tiningnan niya muna ito video, no? So may nangyari dyan.
And my day was fully booked with showings of this vintage 1963 bungalow.
So yan bumukas. Okay na sana yan. Napagpaparamdam, okay na yan.
Go ahead, do it again.
Ngayon, naghahanap ako ng clue. Ganito maghanap ng clue, mga kababayan ko, no?
You're on camera.
Dito ko nahuli si Donsky Pag mamimeke Ini-scan ko. Malinis yung pagkakagawa sa pinto, okay lang.
Open this door.
Okay, wala, no? Malinis.
Go ahead, open this door. Open this door like you did the other one.
So ito yung mga titingnan natin. Kapag dalawang cup yan, ibig sabihin, dalawa silang tao. Isang cup lang ang na-capture. So, malay mo hindi nagkakape yung isa, no? It doesn't mean na totoo na. Isa lang. Dito ko nahuli kasi si Donsky dahil, si Donsky mo, si Ma'am Maggie the Creepy. Diba? Si Ma'am Maggie the Creepy kasi, silang dalawa ni Donsky pumunta sa abandoned daw. Nakita doon dalawa yung cup ng Jollibee. Diba? Nahuli na dalawa silang nandoon. So okay isa lang yung yung kape. Starbucks. Ngayon dito tiningnan yung baso, no? Gumalaw daw yung baso dito
Come on, just move the glass or something.
Gumalaw ba yung baso o dahil ginagalaw niya lang yung camera? Sabi ni Nooks, gumalaw daw yung baso. Tingnan nga natin. O kung gumalaw man, yung pagtutok niya kasi sa baso kaduda-duda parang hinintay niya munang gumalaw bago niya ipaling. Diba? Gumalaw man. Siguro gumalaw yung baso, no? Pero hinintay niya munang gumalaw bago siya magpaling. So, hindi pa siya natatakot. O let's say, totoo yun. Diba? Or hindi ko ma-debunk yun, yung paggalaw ng baso. Dito debunk na debunk sa part na to. In-overdo niya kasi Tsaka bakit may baso doon? Anong ginagawa ng baso doon na may malinis pa na tubig? Dito sa part na to, yung bumagsak yung smoke detector, no?
Go ahead, do it again. I'm not scared.
Yan, tumunog yung smoke detector. Diba? Tumunog. Now, nakatutok sa baba yung camera niya. I don't know kung ano reason nun, ano, kung ba't nakatutok sa baba. Nag-iingat ba siya na may makukunan sa harap? So, ito na, ano? Yan na. Doon nalaglag sa mismong ano ng pinto yung smoke detector. Parang may mali. Kasi alam kong smoke detector, nakakabit yan sa gitna dapat ng ano ng room, hindi sa may bandang pintuan. 'Di ba? At yung pagtunog niyan, dapat may usok yan eh. Kasi alam ko yan, tinitesting yung smoke detector na tutunog yan. May sigarilyo yun nagtitesting yan. Binubugahan ng direkta. Di ba? Para matrigger yan. O let's say, kaluluwa yung nag-trigger. Wag na natin pansinin yung wag na natin pansinin yung pagtunog. Malay mo, kaluluwa yung nakapagpa-trigger dyan sa smoke detector na yan. Para maging fair, no? Pero yung pagbagsak niya dito sa harap ng pintuan, 'di ba? Hindi naman binato yan eh. Bumagsak yan eh. 'Di ba? Bumagsak. Ibig sabihin nakadikit siya doon sa taas, binagsak pababa. Napaka-weirdo ng posisyon ng smoke detector. 'Di ba? Nagtatrabaho ako sa Ace Hardware, yung may mga kilala ko nag-i-install niyan kasama yung mga gadget na ganyan, fire safety category yan eh. Yung mga nag-i-install ng kung saan yung strategic position ng fire extinguisher, 'di ba? Napaka-weirdo na yung smoke detector na yan ay naka-install na malapit sa pintuan. Huwag nyo sabihin na hindi, binato kasi ng multo yan from gitna. Hindi eh. From pintuan, bumagsak eh. Ibig sabihin, may hawak-hawak niyan, tapos dumating siya, biglang binitawan, bumagsak. Hindi pwedeng mangyari na ang smoke detector ay nakakabit sa pintuan. Sayang yung ano niyan. Pwede naman mag-work yun. Kaya lang, paano kung ang sunog ay banda doon? Hindi niya muna madidetect. Kailangan masunog muna yung buong kwarto bago makarating sa ano. Kaya dapat nasa gitna yung smoke detector na yan. Eh bakit bumagsak yan? Anong gagawin ng kaluluwa? From gitna ng pinto, kukunin niya yan, ihihilahin niya, tapos idadala niya sa harap ng pintuan, sa kanya ibabagsak. ito yung nag-giveaway dito sa ito yung dahilan kung bakit napikean ako dito sa isang parte na to. Okay na sana eh. Minsan kasi yung mga gumagawa ng fake video, ino-overdo nila. Tama na yung mga isang paramdam lang. Hindi mo na kailangan pagmukain na sobrang haunted ng bahay. 'Di ba? Ako, for me, no, bahala kayo. Lahat ng nireakan ko dito, kalayaan nyo naman paniwalaan yan eh. 'Di ba? Pero sinasabi ko, fake yung video na to. For me. Wala naman totoo sa'yo eh. Eh di kung lahat sa inyo puro totoo, di okay lang. Sa akin, na-explain ko naman kung ano yung reason ko eh. Diba? Unless, kung DIY yung pagdikit ng smoke detector niya, sinakto niya talaga sa pintuan talaga. Yung pagdetect paglagay ng smoke. Okay lang sana kung relo yan eh, yung clock. Diba? Ako naglalagay talaga ako sa pintuan ng clock. Yung bumagsak. Pero smoke detector, galing sa taas ng pintuan. That's bullshit. Anyway, pagpatuloy natin ito bukas. Kung maganda ang feedback nyo. Kung hindi, try tayo ng ibang content. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.